In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn Polkadot reward tokens with Crypto.com Supercharger. Welcome to Every Bit Helps. I hope you find today's video useful, and if you do, then please give it a like and share. Plus, for the latest information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Crypto.com, who are famous for their one-stop shop crypto app, have now released their Polkadot event on Supercharger. Supercharger is a simple, flexible, and secure liquidity mining platform for the most popular DeFi projects. The first project that was launched on Supercharger was the Uniswap UNI token with a $500,000 allocation. And their latest project is with Polkadot, with a total of a $250,000 allocation for the Crypto.com app and exchange users, with a further 250 available via the Syndicate. And it's worth mentioning that Crypto.com app users will now be able to participate in upcoming events through the app. Both app and exchange users will receive DOT tokens as rewards for depositing CRO tokens into the Supercharger pool, which is great for those wanting to get their hands on this popular token. Supercharger allows Crypto.com app and exchange users to deposit CRO and farm DeFi coins with one single click. And there's no gas fees, and participants can withdraw at any time. The Polkadot token event with Supercharger starts charging on the 30th of October 2020 and ends on the 29th of November 2020. And the reward, or distribution, starts 30 days after, on the 1st of December, lasting again for 30 days, ending on December 31st, 2020. So how does Supercharger work? Well, when a Supercharger event is in the charging period, users can deposit and withdraw tokens from the liquidity pool as often as they like with zero gas fees. A charging period is for 30 days, and there's a minimum deposit of 100 CRO, which users can deposit from their Crypto.com exchange spot wallet. Then the reward, or distribution period, is for the next 30 days, and starts after the charging period. Users' rewards are based on the liquidity score that they accumulated during the charging period. Rewards are distributed evenly on a daily basis during the reward period, and prorated based on a user's share of the total liquidity pool. These tokens are sent back to your Crypto.com exchange spot wallet. So all you need to do is deposit your tokens in the liquidity pool and charge for up to 30 days. Then receive reward tokens each day for the next 30 days. Plus, it's also worth mentioning that users who stake CRO are also eligible to participate in the Syndicate event for DOT and purchase the tokens at a 50% discount, with the amount depending on the amount of CRO staked, plus the trading volume on the exchange over the past 30 days. The Syndicate event commences on Tuesday the 10th of November 2020 on the Crypto.com exchange, and it lasts for 24 hours. And I'll cover that in a separate tutorial if that's something that you're interested in. So let's jump into the Supercharger walkthrough now. And to get started, you'll need to head over to the Crypto.com site, and then to Supercharger on the far right-hand side. You'll also need to have signed into your account, and if you haven't already got an account, I'll pop a link in the summary below. Just be aware that new sign-up offers are due to change very soon. Previously, new users will receive $50, and this will soon change to $25. And you'll need to be starter level or above, and unfortunately those in the US, mainland China, and Hong Kong residents are not eligible. Then from the Supercharger page, you'll view any events at the bottom of the screen here. And at present, that's the Uniswap protocol, which I have full tutorials for, and also the Polkadot event. So let's click onto that event. And in here, it provides me with some information in relation to the event. It shows me the total supply, the event length, and some key dates along with how it works. So let's go ahead and charge now. And as I said, there's a minimum of 100 CRO per deposit, And users are allowed to make multiple deposits too, although they must be from your Crypto.com's spot trading account. And you can enter the amount into here, or select the max available from your balance. You'll then need to review the deposit and notes and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. And if you don't already have any CRO to deposit, you can obviously trade for some, using the Crypto.com exchange site or app, where they have a range of trading pairs available for CRO. Alternatively, you can use their DeFi swap product, which I also have a full tutorial for. Just note that tokens deposited as liquidity in the pool will not count as staking. But if we go ahead and review our deposit, it'll then provide me with a confirmation stating the coin that I'm depositing, the amount, and when the deposit period ends. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm my deposit now. And that's successfully deposited. Now if we go back to our balances in the top of the screen here, you'll see a section on the right-hand side named Supercharger. And in here you have the event, status, and your balance, as well as the ability to deposit or to withdraw. And if you want, you can deposit further funds, or you can also withdraw at any time. To withdraw, simply enter the amount, review your withdrawal, and please note that this will affect your rewards allocated to you when the event enters the reward period. And the great thing here is that unlike a lot of DeFi platforms, there's obviously no gas fees to pay. Then over on the left-hand side of the screen, you also have your pool balance. And this will show you anything with regards to a deposit or withdrawal records. Now just heading back to the Supercharger site. In here, you can see that the charging period ends on the 29th of November and that the reward period begins on the 1st of December. But how is your liquidity score and your reward calculated? Well, let's start with your liquidity score. First, they take an hourly snapshot of liquidity provided per user. Throughout the charging period, one snapshot of the liquidity pool will be taken every hour and the liquidity provided by each user is logged. Then they calculate the total liquidity provided per user. And at the end of the charging period, they add up the liquidity provided by each user every hour during this 30-day period. Now the next part is really important, and that's with regards to accepting rewards. So immediately after the charging period ends, they'll determine your liquidity score and the rewards of DOT according to the terms that we've just discussed. And once this is confirmed, you'll have the option to accept it any time before the acceptance and reward period start. To accept your rewards, log into your Crypto.com exchange account and visit the Supercharger event details page. And your reward is scheduled to be distributed evenly over the reward period. So to ensure that you receive the full reward amount allocated to you, it's important that you log into the exchange and accept your allocation before the reward distribution begins. If you fail to accept your reward allocation before reward distribution begins, you lose a portion of the reward scheduled to be distributed. And if this happens, you'll still be entitled to the remaining portion of your reward allocation as long as you log into the exchange and accept your reward allocation. Now this does sound a little bit complicated, however they do have more information available on their FAQ. And I've also got a full tutorial about how to accept your reward allocation for the Uni token project. So that's how you can now own those DOT tokens with Supercharger. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.